Nako, gabi siya. Napaiyak ako doon, ha? Ayaw ko.
Nakakaingit sila, no?
Pa, kaya ba hiwalay? Mga chismosa dyan. Hindi. Thank you for coming, honey.
No, it's actually my pleasure. It's nice to be here.
Now, everybody's been expecting you.
Wala, matagal ko nang gusto magpunta dito. In fact, yung nangyari nung last time, yung first ano mo, yung premiere mo, gusto kong magpunta noon. Pero alam niyo na, siyempre, hindi ko naman expected na ganun pala ang magiging feedback kung hindi ako nagpunta. Dahil alam niyo naman yung kontrata ko sa Regal. Although, unintentional lahat yun. That's why I'm here today. Because I want to celebrate Christmas with everybody. Lahat po kayo. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas po sa inyo and a very happy New Year.
Nako. Na-clear na pala yung first question namin, Rod. You know, sabi nga namin, once and for all, tatanungin natin kung ano talagang nangyari doon sa first time na hindi ka nakarating, Gabi. Kasi parang, di ba, that started it all.
As much as I hate to explain, but since, the question is there, might as well. Ang nangyari ho talaga doon, ganun nga ho, I'm exclusive with Regal and Sharon's exclusive with Viva. And we felt na parang, hindi pwede na I should sort of merge na because we were thinking of our contracts. Pero makakasama pala yon. So we didn't really expect na
That
gano'n ang
was the
magiging
professional
feedback.
decision.
Of course, it was all professional, nothing personal. And ano lang, na magnify lang.
First of all, I would like to say, Merry Christmas to you both, and you look so lovely together.
Thank you. No, but before we go on, Pa, I'd like to thank Kuya Roddy and Tita Norma for making it to the show tonight to be with us in this special portion. Thank you. We're really honored.
Thank you for asking us, yeah.
Alam mo, Norm, wala na ako talagang maitanong kasi as I look at the
Nasagot na lahat ang
couple,
gusto mong itanong, ibig ko sabihin.
yung movements nila, everything,
nga eh.
sincerity,
Yeah.
parang wala na eh. Parang
Pati si Casey, nakita na natin doon sa video.
There's
Ano
one
ba
more
itatanong
coming
mo?
out, ladies and gentlemen. Don't go away. There's one more wonderful MTV we did.
Baby, can I take this opportunity? Meron lang akong gustong sabihin dahil ngayon ko lang ngayon lang ako nag-on the air after a long time. Hindi, this is about yung pinabanggit ko sa'yo last week. Yung sa reunion namin ng Aquinas, my co-graduates, if they could make it on the 23rd, no? Sana kung pwede kayong tawagan niyo si Mr. Bollock, sir. At maybe we can all get together, including all the teachers, Ms. Tan, Mr. Cruz, our President, and Mr. Navarro. Baka hindi ko mabanggit lahat.
But I could meet them also.
Of course. Gusto kong makilala mo sila lahat sana. They're all from San Juan. And they're very nice people.
Yeah.
Ngayon, mga kaklase ko rin, I hope they can all go, especially the people from pilot class and all the levels. No? This is batch 8081. So, yung mga kaibigan ng mga taga-Aquinas, sana mabanggit ninyo.
Honey, very handsome tonight, huh? Why are you good looking, huh?